Resilience Unveiled, India's Journey Through Time. In the vast tapestry of history, India stands as a remarkable testament to resilience, diversity, and cultural evolution. Ancient India, a cradle of civilization, nurtured the world's earliest urban centers along the Indus River. The Vedic period witnessed the emergence of spiritual philosophies and scientific advancements that continue to inspire the world today. The medieval era saw the arrival of diverse influences, most notably the Mughals. Their legacy is etched in India's monumental landmarks, such as the Taj Mahal, a marvel of architectural elegance. However, this period also marked the advent of European colonialism, altering the course of Indian history. The struggle for independence culminated in Mahatma Gandhi's nonviolent movement, a testament to the power of unity and resistance. In 1947, India emerged as a free nation, but partition brought forth unprecedented challenges. The nation's identity was put to the test as it grappled with political, religious, and socio-economic upheaval. Despite these trials, India surged forward, embracing modernization while preserving its rich cultural mosaic. The Green Revolution transformed agriculture, ensuring food security for a growing population. The technology boom of the late 20th century thrust India onto the global stage as a hub for innovation and its services. Yet, even as skyscrapers adorn the skyline, traditional values remain the bedrock of society. India's cultural heritage is a kaleidoscope of festivals, languages, and traditions. Diwali's dazzling lights, Holi's riotous colors, and Eid's resonating prayers all exemplify unity and diversity. The timeless classics of Indian literature, from the epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata to the verses of Tagore and the mysticism of Rumi, continue to inspire generations. Challenges persist, however, as India grapples with issues like poverty, environmental sustainability, and social inequality. Efforts to address these concerns have led to transformative initiatives such as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a campaign for cleaner cities, and rural development schemes to uplift marginalized communities. Simultaneously, its film industry, Bollywood, continues to produce captivating narratives that bridge the gap between tradition and modernity. India's journey is a testament to its enduring spirit. A land where ancient wisdom intertwines with contemporary innovation, where unity is forged from diversity, and where history serves as a guidepost for the future. As India steps into each new day, its story continues to unfold, a story of resilience, evolution, and the pursuit of a better tomorrow.